When we are working on some kind of list, we often need to quickly iterate between several variations. What we usually do is clone the existing master component and make some tweaks and then create new instances from them and then copy over all the data from old instances to new instance. That's a lot of work. Instead, we can simply duplicate this artboard and select all the instances along with the master component and run this clone command. Now all the instances have been linked to this new master component. I can prove that by swapping the time. And the beauty here is all the images, text data, styles, including the component variants has been preserved, such a huge time saver. In some cases, you may already have a final master component and you have a frame with a bunch of instances that are linked to some other master component. In this case, you can select all the instances along with the master component that you would like to link and run the link command. Now all these instances has been linked to this new master component, and of course the images and other data has been preserved. One more thing, sometimes you may have a detached instance or simply a frame that looks very similar to the master component. You can also link this frame to the master component. Select the frame on the master component and run the link command. The plugin will do the rest. That's pretty much it. Hope it helps.